In Green Cove Springs, Florida, homeowners take pride in creating inviting and beautiful properties that reflect both personal taste and the community's charm. While landscaping and paint often get most of the attention, your windows are one of the most visible features of your home's exterior. Worn-out or outdated windows can make even a well-kept house look tired. On the other hand, stylish window replacement designs can instantly elevate curb appeal while also improving comfort and efficiency. Why windows matter for curb appeal? Windows are more than functional. They are architectural features that define the personality of your home. Whether your style is traditional, coastal, or modern, the right window design enhances your home's character and makes a lasting first impression. In Green Cove Springs, where the climate is warm and humid, upgrading your windows not only boosts visual appeal but also ensures durability and performance. Double-hung windows. Classic and timeless for many Green Cove Springs residences, double-hung windows are a go-to choice. Their symmetrical design and clean lines complement a variety of architectural styles, from classic southern homes to modern builds. Versatile styling. Available in multiple finishes and grid patterns. Balanced proportions. Create a polished, elegant look. Practical function. Easy to open and clean, making them both stylish and user-friendly. Double-hung windows are perfect for homeowners who want timeless appeal with modern convenience. Bay and bow windows. Statement-making elegance. Few window designs make as bold a statement as bay and bow windows. Extending outward from the home's exterior, these windows create depth and architectural interest. Eye-catching feature. Adds a unique focal point to your home's facade. Light-filled interiors. Brings in natural light from multiple angles. Expanded views. Perfect for enjoying gardens or outdoor landscapes. Bay and bow windows not only boost curb appeal but also transform the feel of interior spaces. Casement windows. Sleek and modern for Green Cove Springs homeowners who prefer a more contemporary look, casement windows offer clean lines and simplicity. Hinged on the side, these windows swing outward, offering both style and practicality. Minimalist design. Works beautifully with modern and transitional homes. Uninterrupted glass panes. Maximize natural light and outdoor views. Functional ventilation. Their wide opening allows breezes to flow in, ideal for Florida's coastal air. Casement windows create a fresh, streamlined aesthetic that instantly modernizes your exterior. Picture windows. Bold and striking. When the goal is to maximize visual impact, picture windows deliver. With large, fixed panes of glass, they emphasize openness and brightness. Expansive glass areas. Offer uninterrupted views of outdoor scenery. Contemporary flair. Give homes a bold, sophisticated look. Pairing potential. Combine with operable windows like casements or awnings for both style and function. Picture windows are especially popular for living rooms and front-facing areas where you want to showcase your home's design. Specialty shapes and custom finishes. One of the biggest advantages of modern window replacement is the ability to customize designs to fit your personal style. Arched, circular, or triangular shapes add architectural interest to traditional homes. Colorful finishes. Beyond white or beige, options like black or wood grain finishes create a striking effect. Grid patterns. From colonial to prairie style, grids can give windows a unique personality. Custom options ensure your new windows not only complement your architecture but also reflect your individual taste. The value of professional installation. Even the most stylish designs can't reach their full potential without expert installation. Professional installers ensure a seamless fit, airtight seals, and weather resistance, which is especially important in Green Cove Springs' humid climate. A well-installed window not only looks beautiful but also lasts longer, resists moisture, and performs efficiently. Final thoughts for Green Cove Springs homeowners. Upgrading to stylish window replacement designs is one of the most impactful ways to boost curb appeal. Whether you choose classic double-hung windows, dramatic bay and bow styles, sleek casement windows, or custom designs, the right choice will enhance your home's beauty while improving comfort and value. With professional installation, your new windows will not only turn heads in the neighborhood but also serve as a long-lasting investment in your home's future.